Here is a step-by-step breakdown of a percutaneous coronary intervention known as PCI or coronary angioplasty. It is used to remove major blocks in the coronary arteries, mostly for symptom relief and life-saving procedure in situations like a heart attack. Arterial access, usually via the radial artery. After administering local anesthesia and mild conscious sedation, a small puncture is made. This is most commonly done in the radial artery in the wrist, though the femoral artery in the groin is a traditional alternative. A small sheath is inserted to serve as the working portal for the entire procedure. Catheter navigation and angiography, mapping the blockages. A long, thin, flexible tube, diagnostic catheter, is threaded through the arterial system to the ostium of the coronary arteries. The contrast dye is injected under continuous X-ray fluoroscopy imaging to create a roadmap of the heart's vessels, pinpointing the exact location and severity of any stenotic plaques. Crossing the lesion. Once the blockage is identified, the diagnostic catheter is swapped for a guiding catheter. A thin, highly steerable guide wire, typically 0.014 inches in diameter, is carefully navigated through the catheter and advanced across the narrowed segment of the artery. This wire acts as a monorail for the therapeutic equipment that follows. Balloon angioplasty, predilation. A deflated balloon catheter is tracked over the guide wire directly into the center of the blockage. The balloon is then inflated at high atmospheric pressure for a few seconds. This physically compresses the calcified or fatty atherosclerotic plaque against the artery walls, creating a wider channel for blood flow. Stent deployment, providing structural support. To prevent the artery from recoiling or re-narrowing, a stent, a tiny expandable metallic wire mesh tube, is delivered to the site. Modern stents are usually drug-eluting, coated with medication to prevent tissue overgrowth. The stent is mounted on another balloon. When inflated, the stent expands and locks into place against the arterial wall, acting as a permanent scaffold. Final angiogram and closure. The balloon and guide wire are removed, leaving the stent permanently embedded in the vessel wall. A final contrast injection confirms that normal blood flow is fully restored and the stent is properly expanded. The sheath is then removed and a compression band or closure device is applied to the access site to achieve complete hemostasis.